Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be creating an ottoman slash storage space because I needed some more space in my place. You get me? So first I went to Home Depot and I got some wood cut. I basically got 6 squares cut out the same size, and I'll leave the sizes and the measurements in the description box. I first glued down everything with Gorilla Glue, and as you see, I used my groceries to help me out today. I went to Walmart before I did this project. But basically, I'm just gluing everything down and holding it in place. And the last thing I'm going to do before I start using my nails is glue the top on. So after the top was done, I went ahead and pre-drilled one hole on each corner, and then I went back with my nail gun and drilled my nails in. And I also did the same for the other side. Now that the sides were done, I went ahead and did the bottom. So this will be the bottom of the ottoman, and I put my last square in there. And as you can see, it's not a perfect measurement, but the thing about Lowe's is that, well, I actually went to Home Depot. The thing about Home Depot is that they don't guarantee the cut size, so I went ahead and just got everything the same instead of trying to be all fancy. But it came out perfect in my eyes. You're not even going to be able to tell at the end. So I went to Walmart and I got a full-size mattress foam pad, and I basically pre-cut it to fit around the ottoman. And I'm going to staple the foam in place so it won't move. And after I make sure that the foam fits completely around the ottoman, I'm going to just cut off the extra foam that was on there. And now I am just stapling the foam to fit around the corners to make the corners and the edges very smooth for my fabric. Next, I got this. This was actually some fabric I got cut a long time ago. So I'm just gonna staple this basically similar to how I stapled the foam, but I'm gonna be stapling the top and the bottom to fit the ottoman and just cutting off the extra fabric. And basically I'm making sure I tuft the corners and make them nice and smooth. And now for the inside, I got this fabric for Walmart, and it was like $1.50 per yard. So I got about 2 yards. I didn't need a lot. And I'm just basically going around stapling the bottom of the fabric to the bottom of the ottoman. And I would say just fold the fabric when necessary. And next I'm just going to cut off the extra fabric from the side. And to be honest, if I were to do this again, well, I am going to do this again. When I do this again, I will probably do the inside of the ottoman first and then the outside, so I don't have to go and tuck it under and do all the extra stuff that I'm doing. And like I said, I am folding the outside inwards to make it look neat. So after I was done tussling, this is how it looked, and then I added some extra fabric left over from the fur I had to the bottom. Last but not least, we're doing the top of the ottoman. I just cut out a square piece of foam to fit at least 1 inch extra on the sides, on each side. And I'm stapling the foam down onto the wood. And by the way, like I said, I got the wood from Home Depot, and every time I go to Home Depot, there's always either a sale or there is an area where they have a marked down wood, and I always get the cheapest wood. As long as it's hard and solid and I know it won't snap, I get that cheap wood. And I'm just going to cover the sides up just like I did the foam, and after I make my way around, we will be finito. And I waited till the end to do the corners, to push them flat down and staple them so it'll have some type of nice corner to it. So all that is left is to put this on my ottoman, and boom! I am so happy. This ottoman came out perfect. It was perfect. Everything came out perfect. And by the way, this ottoman is also strong enough to sit on. As always, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to tune in to some of my other videos that you may have not watched, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.